So just allow yourself to get really comfortable. Perhaps in a laying position, becoming aware of the feeling of support from whatever it is that you're sitting or laying on. Settle here just on the feeling of resting. And as you begin to rest, noticing that your body is breathing. There's nothing you have to do. Your body breathes by itself. And you can simply just be aware of the breath. Aware when the body breathes in. Aware when the body breathes out. As you watch one breath after another, you might begin to notice that the out-breath has more of a releasing quality, a letting go quality. It's as if we pull the breath in on an in-breath, but then we just let it all go on the out-breath. It's a little like when we bring in the shopping and we drop it down onto the floor or the counter, and then we naturally breathe out as if we've unburdened ourselves. So in the same way, maybe just allow every out-breath that you release to just release a little more. To release the body a little more. To let go of tightness in muscles or in joints. Each out-breath an invitation just to fall a little further down into just a growing sense of feeling relaxed, at ease. Nothing to do, nothing to achieve. Every out-breath just a release. Now in this practice, we're going to use our imagination to help with this relaxation. I'd like you to begin to see in your mind some sort of measure or scale. Now, it might be a ruler, or it could be a dial. But it allows us to just take note of our degree of relaxation from 0 to 100. 100 would be where we are completely not relaxed, but 0 is when we are completely relaxed. There's nowhere further to go. We are so still. And so right now, whatever you've chosen to have inside your mind, just see where you are on that measure or that scale. anywhere between 0 and 100. And maybe there can be some marker to show you where. And maybe you're at 70, or maybe you're down at 40, or 25, or 22. It really doesn't matter. But just see where you are right now. And I wonder, what will it take for you to be able to drop that number down by 10? What would you need to do with your body, with your breathing, with your mind? Or perhaps, what would you need to give up, to stop doing, so that you could simply allow that number to drop down by 10? And so let's drop the number now, dropping down all the way down by 10, and allowing all those changes to happen. Doing whatever needs to be done, letting go of anything that needs to let go, so that you can fall further down. You feel more comfortable. You feel more at ease. And from here we might ask the question, what would it take to drop another 5? Another 5 points on the scale down. What will it take? What do we need to do or give up? And then seeing that scale drop down by 5, falling down to find a new level as we make all those changes necessary to just let go. We let go more, we relax more, we give up more. Dropping, settling further down, being more at ease and more comfortable. And the breath still comes and the breath still goes. And each out-breath can still be a release, a feeling of unburdening, of putting down the shopping, of letting go. So perhaps with each out-breath, releasing further, the number on the scale falling with each out-breath. Each out-breath is a chance to scan through the body and find some hidden corner that hasn't quite released yet, that's been tucked away, it's been hidden. Each out-breath then just release from there, let it go. Let muscles unwind. Let thoughts unburden. Let your body just sink further down into your chair, or whatever you're lying on. Every out-breath taking you further down, 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 deeper, softer. Every time you breathe out any remaining tightness. Letting go. And the number on the scale can fall as far as it wishes to. It can drop as slowly or as quickly as your body just finds more stillness. It relaxes more. It gives up more. And so you might begin to feel as if your body is just resting. It's floating here. Nothing to do. The body can just drift on the feeling of being at ease, of being comfortable. And if you'd like to stay here a little longer, then you can just ignore the rest of my words. And just rest here as long as you'd like. But otherwise, perhaps joining me. You're beginning to make some tiny movements. Perhaps just scrunching the eyes on the muscles around the eyes. Just scrunching them a few times. And maybe just scrunching or wriggling the nose, just to begin to bring some movement to the muscles of the face. Perhaps beginning to move the jaw up and down, left and right. And perhaps just with the neck, being able to just tilt the neck and the head to just one side, towards one shoulder, coming up to the middle and tilting slightly over to the other shoulder. And perhaps here having a little turn of the head. Turn to look one way, turn to look the other. And just moving down the body, easing out any stiffness in the shoulders, the elbows and the wrists. Beginning to finish and make any other movements the body needs. As we bring this practice to a close.